Hello, hello, beautiful babes. Sweet angel, coming hard and heavy because I got a lot of stuff to share with y'all before the end of this year, and time is really ticking. Okay, so I have one today that I tell you what, you've tried the coconut oil and baking soda. Tell me, did you love that? Well, let me tell you something. I used this mask on my face. It's an exfoliating mask, and y'all, you are going to be shook as to the ingredients, and I'm here to share it with you today. I have my handy dandy little container. It's a glass container because I'm going to make enough to make a couple of treatments in this jar. So, starting out with orange peel. This I ordered from Amazon, and I will have the links below for everything that I'm using today. I took a tablespoon of orange peel powder. I then took 2 tablespoons of whole milk powder. Okay? And now I'm just going to mix those two together and make sure they're blended properly. And the third ingredient is very simple. This is a super simple recipe, coconut oil. Now you see where I'm going with this? 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And let me share with you the amazing benefits of these 3 ingredients today. The dried orange peels. That dried orange peel powder, you can actually make this yourself. You can dry out orange peels, and once they're dry, you can just blend them up. But I did purchase this one from Amazon, and this dried orange peel powder can do wonders for the skin. For marks on the face and pigmentation, orange peels work as a natural bleach and can help lighten dark blotches and remove them with time. The coconut oil is used on the skin to moisturize it, alleviate dryness, and give your skin a healthy, soft, and youthful appearance. And then the whole milk powder, the enzymes in it, the protein, mineral, and vitamin content of milk helps in reducing wrinkles. Powdered milk is a natural source of lactic acid, and when applied to the skin, it is very effective in smoothing, toning, and even tightening the skin. Y'all, you can do this mask 2 times a week, and you're going to look so much younger. If your skin needs some softening and invigorating, this mask will help save the day. What this mask is going to help do is boost the collagen and elastin on your face while also soothing and hydrating the skin. I simply mixed it all up and applied it to my face, and I'm smoothing it on. Now, it's not necessarily going to dry down, so what I had to do was just go ahead and use it kind of like an exfoliating mask. Y'all know I love exfoliation. I love polishing the skin. It really helps to keep my glow going and also to remove all of those dead skin cells. But this one has so many wonderful ingredients. This one has wonderful ingredients that are loaded, are packed with exactly what you need in order to make your skin beautiful again. Now listen, I used it on my face, but you can use this on your body as well. You can use this under your arms to help to lighten dark underarms, dark inner thighs. Amazing. And it's nourishing. So when I rinsed it off, I was just like, I promise you, this really does feel great after rinsing it off. I just rinsed it off with cool water, and I tell you what, I'm looking at my skin like, wow, that is amazing. It is amazing. It really is. You should try it. Please, if you do, let me know in the comments. Let me know how you love it. My skin is so soft, y'all. I'm scared to touch it. It was so soft. And this one is a keeper for me. It definitely is. I love the coconut and baking soda, but this one is just taking it to another level. Absolutely, it is. Now, it may be a little bit more costly to purchase these ingredients versus the baking soda, but your skin is going to love it. A lot of people find that baking soda is abrasive and they swear not to use that. They don't want to use it. But if you're looking for something gentler than baking soda, but yet again will tackle the job, but has some real skin benefits, this is it. And I followed it up with my collagen cream, my Dysar, that y'all know I love, that I keep handy all the time, because guess what? This mask that I just finished is to help restore collagen and elastin, and why not follow it with a cream that is here to do the same thing? Y'all, I'm super excited about this. I'm super excited to share it with y'all. So here you go, beautiful babes. Do this 2 times a week and look at your skin become younger looking over time. Amazing stuff it is. I'm Sweet Angel, bringing it to you like no other. Check out the skin, and I'm loving it. I am loving it so much. Y'all, you're going to be impressed. Check out the description box if you're looking to get these ingredients. I do have ready shop links below for you. Check out the description box. More details right there for you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Hit me up in the comments section. I'll do my best to respond to you as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Like, comment, subscribe. Do everybody you know a favor and share me with your world. I will see you on the next one, which you know won't be long. Yes, it won't be long. I promise you that. Take care. Bye-bye.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed, never gonna be alone. 'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says.